Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Messenger group chat. So let's start. First open the Facebook Messenger app. Now select the conversation you want to deactivate. But remember, you have to be the admin to deactivate a group chat. Now tap on the I button on top right corner. If you want to just leave the group, then scroll down and tap on Leave Group. Other participants of this group chat will still be able to send message and add participants to this group. And if you are the admin of the group and deactivate the group chat, first you have to remove all other members and then leave the group. Now tap on See Group Members and tap on the participant's name and their profile will pop up. Now tap on Remove from Group and just like that you have to remove all other participants. Now go back and leave the group by tapping on Leave Group. And no other participant will be able to send message or add participants to this group chat. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.